Hi guys, I'm recording a video of blowing up Y Valley's McDonald's. Yeah. So if I walk closer to it, as you can see, the whole place is filled with TNT. Goodbye, McDonald's, my old friend. Yeah, that place is gone forever. I was gonna say the sign's surviving. Yep, that's it. Okay, on to the next. I'll pause. I'm gonna stop here. I'll see you in a second. I'm going on to the next building. Placing TNT everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna start recording. Placing TNT everywhere. I'm doing it now, Sean. I'm still recording. Sean, outside of what? No, I'm just recording us placing TNT everywhere.